Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bottom oven panel baffle in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. For easier access, we recommend removing the oven door by first rotating both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two rear mounting screws, securing the bottom panel. Lift the panel up from the back to remove. Now unthread the two screws, securing the baffle to the panel. Lift off the old baffle. Install the new baffle by aligning it over the diffuser, then thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the bottom oven panel by aligning the front edge first. Then lower the panel and thread the mounting screws. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.